Welcome to Quad Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Microsoft Store updates using Group Policy on Windows. This method is useful for preventing automatic updates, especially in enterprise environments. Let's get started. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Type gpedit MSC and press Enter. This opens the local group policy editor. In the left pane, go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Store. Look for the policy named Turn off the Microsoft Store. Right-click and select Edit. Choose Enabled. Then apply the changes. Then open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. gpupdate -force. This forces group policy to update immediately. That's it. You've successfully disabled Microsoft Store updates using group policy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.